Hey boys and girls, I'm coming back at you with our reading lesson of the day. We've been talking about nursery rhymes and we're going to continue by learning a new one. You've probably heard this rhyme before, and the name of the nursery rhyme is Little Bo Peep. Let's take a look at it. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. Let's take a look at this poem. We've got Little Bo Peep, and she's lost her sheep. Here's Little Bo Peep right here. Where do you think Little Bo Peep's sheep have hidden? Can you see them in this picture right here? I think I see them hiding in that bush, but she looks quite puzzled with her hand tapping her head. If she leaves the sheep alone, they'll come home. This is where they live at Little Bo Peep's house. And back on the backside of a sheep, it's got a tail. You know, they shake their tail when they get excited. So let's take a look at this poem again. Say it with me. Little Bo Peep. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you soon.